Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix message blocked not sending in Gmail. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, if you're on an iPhone or Android device, you can just go to iOS App Store. Just delete the Gmail application first, like this. So if you just click on Gmail and click on remove app, it will delete it. It should be similar on an Android device. And then just download it once again. So basically reinstall Gmail application on your iPhone or Android device. Alright, so I've already done that. So the second step is to make sure you have a proper internet connection working. See if it has any issues. Restart your Wi-Fi or whatever, or connect to another connection, or you can use a VPN and see if it fixes your problem. So you can use a free VPN like Proton VPN, like this. Just create an account on their website, they give free VPN. So yeah guys, it should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can contact Google for Gmail help and ask them about their issue, and they should fix your problem within 24 hours to 48 hours. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching. And also another tip guys, you should try and re-log in into your Gmail account. So just log out and log in once again and see if it fixes your problem. So yeah guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.